These boots are made for riding. Hey, boys. Hatch. No. No jump. Good dogs. Hi, boys. Camel. Camel. Kim. Leave it. Good dog. Hi. Hi, Jack. Good dog. I miss you, too. No, you tell him. You tell that little... Can you grab the recycling bin? It's over here. Son! The recycling bin. Really fast. Run, run, run.
The trash can fell on me.
Oh, no. Good job, son. Love you. I'll see you later. All right, Precious. Ready? Up. Up. Good girl. Camo. Leave him alone. Chasing the cats. Ready? Good girl. You get no wet. Back it up. Back it up. Good girl. Come on. Up. All right, load it up. What about you, little pup? My gosh, you're all wet. Good thing I got the... What? Oh, surprise. A whole bunch of... Hey, y'all. Hope you're doing good. So Allison and I are out here at the arena. We're going to be doing some barrel drills and just shaping up her turns and sitting on her pockets. Just redefining those lines and turns. So we're going to be working a lot on that today. Got Miss Milagros. Say hi. She says hi, everybody. Me. Not too thrilled. Okay, girl. They're over there getting ready with Miss Micah. They look so funny with their little tails. Don't you look so funny? Look at Milagros. Oh my goodness. Jeez. Spartacus. Thanks to Spartacus, that little turkey. Yeah, story of my life, I tell ya. My girl. She's coming. Milagros isn't too thrilled. She's like way back there. She's like, aw, do I have to? Sit down. Good. Eyes up. Kick, kick, kick. And that's it. Good. Very good. Looking straight ahead. Finding those pockets. Don't let her anticipate the turn. There you go. Good job. The reason why she went further out was because Jamaica was anticipating the turn. So she pulled her forward more. There we go. Nice. All right. Now go ahead and stop right there. Good. Now we're going to go with the righties. We are. Good. As soon as you turn around, you stretch those hands forward.
Keep them forward?
Yep, keep them forward right there. Good. Give her a leg, 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 leg. Okay, so this is why we're doing 3 rights, because every time you go around, you want to improve. So that one down there wasn't that good. So we're going to try it again over here. Good. There you go. Good job. Sit down. Eyes up. There we go. Good. Okay, this last one she anticipated earlier. So push, 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 push. Sit. There we go. Nice. All right. Yes. Good job. So in this turn, I encouraged Allison to speak out loud her steps. It does help you to prepare for what you need to do next. Go. Because I'm telling myself too. I'm posting, get ready, sit. So it helps remind you. Yeah, it was a little wide there. Keep going. Sit. Leg, good. All right, good job. There you go, good. She's on the correct lead. Sit. That girl, good job. Yes. Nice, there we go. She's on the wrong lead. Let's see if she'll switch. There we go, push. Good, one hand it. Okay, that's okay. She had two hands, but that's okay. That was good. Good job, girls. Allison's currently backing up Jamaica. Now this is just another exercise to get your horse thinking, so we don't just hit barrel drills all the time. Good, all right, turn her around. Yep, and back her up back this way. My goodness. Her tail is so short. Oh my gosh. Straighten her up. There you go. That a girl. Good job. I'm not laughing at you. I'm laughing at Jamaica's tail. And right there's good. Good job. Jamaica. Nice. All right. Allison's challenge is lope one full lap, come back around where she started, and lope 2 big circles around all 3 barrels. Oh! Big circles. That's 1. 2. Good. 2. Atta girl. And this is just giving the rider better control around their circles and giving the horse a chance too to work on their lead changes. So that was all on the left lead. We're going to do some on the right. Next exercise, side passing. There you go. And look to the right. There we go. Good. Get that front end over. Gasket, there we go. Get that hind end over. Bob. Look where you want to go. Atta girl. There we go. Booty over, good. Front end, nice. Booty. Good. You girls did good. All because of the motivation stick now. Pick her up. Bigger circles. Go around until she gets a big circle. There we go. And good, very good. Okay, Allison and Jamaica walking slowly to approach and then picking it up. Good. I believe she's still on her wrong one. Therefore, there was an anticipation on that turn. There we go. Micah's got to learn to do her flying lead changes. Allison's doing good. Sitting, one-handed. Good. Look at that, holding onto the horn. Getting those two hands. She moved fast. Very good, very good. And your one-hand turns.
Yeah.
Thumbs up.
All right, circles around the barrels. On to the third.
That was a big surprise to Milagros because she thought we were going to run the pattern. Switched it on her to keep her focused. This is how it's going to help you prevent your horse from getting hot every time you run those barrels because they're going to get a curveball. Always change it on them. Don't just keep running that pattern. Tip of the day, okay? Good luck. Keep looking into the middle of your circle. Widen up. Bigger circle, bigger circle. Bigger circle. There you go. Good. She's even on the correct lead. Nose in. I can tell how Micah's having a hard time staying round. But that's okay. This is why we do this. Practice, practice. Good. There you go. Good. Nose tipped in. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, she's got one more barrel to go. Here we go. Good job. She's going to go one more time to make that a good one. There. Perfect. Good. And then relax your hands. Perfect. And she dropped her head down too. Good job. All right. So we are preparing for a run. And this is our number one challenge is to not get butterflies, not to get tense up, because then your horse gets all jacked up and ready to go. So we're going to approach the alleyway nice and calmly, and we're going to wait and go. Okay? That's the hardest challenge. Nice and relaxed. My hand is very relaxed.
And the hat goes flying. That was great.
Wow, that was awesome! I'm all jacked. Figure out what's going to help you and your horse. Camo, quit. I know, he's like, I'm all jacked up, a Mountain Dew. Just like my mama. Okay, so Allison's trying a different approach. You did good, Milagros. Sorry, we're shaking. It's all that adrenaline rush. And Milagros' heart is racing. She's coming. Good. There we go. Sit. Nice. I could hear her telling herself, sit. Oh, easy. Micah, gotta watch your feet. That a girl. That a girl. Yes. Nice. Woo. All right. Good job. Nice. There we go. Ooh, that was close. Nice.
That one was very close. We almost knocked it down, but thank goodness it didn't. That's okay.
Atta girl. She's on the correct lead. Good job. Sit it. Yes, hands. Sit it. Yes. There we go. Now she's getting on the correct leads because Jamaica's learning. Oh, if I don't, I'm going to stumble. There we go. Perfect. Go, 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 go. Yes. Yes. Nice job. Nice job.
All right, Maria and Milagros coming up. And boom, they're off. Nice. Got Camo cheering us on. There we go. Woo! Rodeo Queen.
Okay, we are wrapping up the night. It is that time. We're cooling the girls down. Allison and Jamaica cooling down. Says hi. We've been just laughing hysterically about the girls' new haircuts. I promise you, it was not me. Blame it on Spartacus. Allison showed up and she's gonna tell me, Maria, why did you cut their tails off? Like, I promise it wasn't me.
They look a little silly.
They look very silly.
A little nubbin.
Oh my gosh. And then we were just talking about how Milagros looks like a dressage horse now. She's all lanky, long, and then the short little tail. Oh dear. Do you guys know, can we get horse tail extensions? Can you, one of you send me some please? I might have to go like to the wig store or something. Oh, Milagros. She's so proud. She's like, yep, my man did that. He did such a great job. Horses. It's horses. Stop horsing around, girls. Yeah, you know I'm talking about you. She's got the boots with the Velcro. That whole crowd was staring at her. She didn't hit the barrel. She turned and burned. Next thing you know, Shorty got low, 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 low. Down the barrel, turn and burn. Like my remix? Allison's cracking up at me.
That's my new favorite song.
I've been working on that. Do you like it?
Boots with the Velcro.
The Velcro. Oh, the things we come up with. It's all the horsing around. I think I'm going to Little Cookies. Come on, Milagros. Come on, Shorty. She got a shorty tail for sure now. I'm going to make fun of you, Milagros.